Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Brandon's Tech here. Today we're going to be looking at a case from Poetic. This one is the Revolution series for the OnePlus 13. Now I'd like to make note that this was sent to me from Poetic for the purpose of review. They are not paying me to state my opinions. All of these opinions are my own. Now, if you are interested to purchase this case, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below. It's awesome because they provide two front frames. So if you want to use the one with the protector or one without a protector, you can. They even give you a little bit of some accessories to clean off your phone beforehand in case you want to utilize that front frame with the protector. So thanks Poetic for that. That's really awesome. Taking a look on the inside of the case, you got the branding there for the Revolution and the stamping for the military grade drop protection, as well as shock proof EVA foam as Poetic calls it, and you do have 4 times the air pockets on either corner, and they advertise that this case is a 20-foot drop height protective case. I am not going to test that, but let's try to open it up and see what we got. Now the frame is a little bit tricky to get into. It's a little tough, so you're going to have to put a little bit of force into the little corner and push outwards in order to get the inner frame out of the case. Now once you got that out, you're going to make sure that you're going to line up the actual volume and power button with the side of your OnePlus device and to the frame. So you're going to essentially clip it in on either side and essentially make sure, like I said, that they're aligned with the volume and the power button, as well as your Type-C and your alert slider. Make sure everything is aligned. Now putting it into the phone case itself, you're going to want to perfectly slide it into the one side because it is and it can be tricky. And you'll see, you're going to make sure that you get that soft TPU sides. Oh, see, look what happened there. You see, it's not easy to fully get it in. So you got to make sure you align it to the corners and pop it in ever so slightly, and then massage it in with the side bumper TPU, and then get the rest of the grooves in with the frame. Now taking a look at your alert slider access, there's plenty of access to get into your alert slider. And then obviously checking out the bottom port, it is covered with a flap, which is obviously good for resisting lint and dirt from getting in there and trapping itself. Now taking a look at your volume rocker, you have your up and down and your power button, which is serrated and tactile and clicky. The overall aesthetic is very pleasing. You've got your Poetic branding at the bottom and those little industrial screws and grooves, as well as a really nice kickstand which has a little Easter egg. If you take a look, you see you got the Poetic branding on the inside there, and also on the inner layer of the actual flap. So there you go, you can put it in landscape and you can put it in portrait mode and then landscape again. So obviously you're going to have it on that side because you have your power and your volume buttons on the side there. Now you're probably wondering, what about the camera module? Well, you got plenty of protection there. Nothing's going to be smacking down on those cameras. I like it because it's a little window and it doesn't affect your camera system whatsoever. So if you pull up the camera here, you can see with the 1x, you don't have any obstruction of view whatsoever. So if you're going to increase and go further and zoom towards the wall, and your ultra wide is not affected whatsoever. So there's no interference with that actual sliding flap. It's really easy to close. You just snap it back down and right as rain. Aesthetically, it's a beautiful case, and the phone is not slippery to hold because the side panel TPU frame is actually really grippy, as well as those little lined indentations on either 4 corners. It's also good when you're gaming too. And Also, don't forget, you got that lip protection, and if you set it down, it isn't gonna rock. You'll have no issues with it rocking on the back as well. It is a very durable case, and honestly, if you have kids, or you're a construction worker, or you work outside and you're prone to dropping your phone, or your kids are handling your phone, this is going to protect your investment. Highly recommend it. Let's check out its functionality with an actual YouTube video. So here's landscape mode. Easy access to your power and your volume rocker there. When you're watching content, you can have it in portrait and landscape again. All in all, it is a very well built case. It is super sturdy for those who need the protection, and Poetic has delivered again. I'll leave a link down below, so give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Peace.